Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know, I've been following AI developments for a while now, and just when I thought I'd seen it all, something comes along that completely changes the game. I'm talking about DeepSeek AI. This isn't just another AI tool like ChatGPT or Midjourney. It's being called the most powerful open-source AI in the world. And if the claims are true, it's not just competing with other AI tools, it's making them obsolete. So, of course, I had to check it out for myself. DeepSeek AI isn't just one tool. It's an entire AI ecosystem packed into a single platform. It gives you access to over 150 AI models in one dashboard, everything from ChatGPT and Midjourney to DALL-E, Llama 3.1 Synthesia, Jasper AI, and many more. Instead of paying multiple subscriptions for different AI tools, DeepSeek AI lets you access them all with a one-time payment. No monthly fees, no API costs, no limitations. And that's what caught my attention right away. Having all these AI tools in one place is already a massive advantage. One of the biggest selling points of DeepSeek AI is its speed and accuracy. It claims to deliver results 30 times faster, cheaper, and more precise than competitors. When I tested it, I was actually surprised. Generating high-quality images took just seconds, way faster than some paid tools I've used. The text generation was sharp, detailed, and well-structured. And the automation features? That's where things really get interesting. DeepSeek AI isn't just for content creation. It can automate business processes, generate websites, create marketing funnels, and even launch AI-powered chatbots that you can sell to businesses for 100% profit. That's right, you're not just using AI, you can actually build an AI business with it. The platform comes with a free commercial license, meaning you can offer AI-powered services without paying extra fees. Whether it's content writing, image and video generation, chatbot development, or even website creation, you can turn it all into a source of income. One thing I really like about DeepSeek AI is how beginner-friendly it is. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, so even if you've never used AI tools before, you won't have any trouble getting started. Everything is designed to be as intuitive as possible. Want to generate an 8K image? Just type your prompt, click a button, and it's done in seconds. Need a fully designed website? DeepSeek AI builds it for you instantly. Thinking about automating your email marketing? It's all right there in the dashboard. The simplicity makes it accessible to anyone, regardless of experience. Now, let's talk about what really makes DeepSeek AI stand out. It's open source. Unlike ChatGPT, which is controlled by OpenAI, or Midjourney, which is behind a paywall, DeepSeek AI is completely open source and unrestricted. That means no corporate gatekeeping, no limitations, and no risk of your access suddenly being revoked. You have full control over the AI, and that alone is a huge advantage. Another thing that surprised me is the pricing. If DeepSeek AI was charging a high subscription fee, I wouldn't be surprised because honestly it offers way more than most AI tools out there. But instead, they're making it available for a one-time payment less than what you'd spend on a cheap dinner. And considering that users have reported making their investment back within days by selling AI-powered services, it's hard to ignore the value. Of course, no tool is perfect. Since DeepSeek AI is open source, you won't have a single company maintaining and upgrading it like proprietary software. That means you might need to keep an eye on updates and improvements from the community. But given how powerful and flexible it is, that's a small trade-off for the amount of freedom you get. Right now, DeepSeek AI is launching as a limited-time offer. Once the launch ends, the price will go up and the lifetime access deal could disappear. So if you're thinking about trying it, now's the time. And they're backing it with a 30-day money-back guarantee, meaning if it doesn't work out for you, you can get a full refund with no questions asked. At this point, the real question isn't what DeepSeek AI can do, it's what you can do with it. Whether you want to start an online business, automate tasks, create content faster than ever, or just save money on expensive AI subscriptions, this platform gives you the tools to do it all. And the fact that it's open source means you're not just using AI, you actually own it, control it, and profit from it. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link below. Let me know in the comments what you think. Does DeepSeek AI live up to the hype? Are you planning to use it for business, content creation, or something else? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.